Hello friends, welcome to another video of complete guide to Windows 10. In this video I will show you how you can activate your Windows 10 for free without having any product key. So let's start the video. Before starting to activate the Windows, let me show you is the Windows activated or not. So first go to the properties of the computer. This is the edition of Windows you had installed, and here you can see that Windows is not activated and the product ID is also not available. Now we will begin to activate the Windows, so follow each step. Open the link and click download. After the download is finished, open the file. Here are 3 ways by which you can activate your Windows. Before selecting any option, let's check the activation status by clicking number 5 on your keyboard. Here you can see no product key is found. Press any key to go back to the main menu. Now press the number 3 on the keyboard and wait for a few minutes for activation to complete. Now here you can see that the Windows is activated and product ID is also available. In the next video I will show you how you can set up your Microsoft account to get the full access of Windows products. Thank you for watching the video.